Ready to unlock the power of your Ubuntu terminal and become a folder hopping master? First things first, understanding your file system is the foundation. Imagine your computer like a tree, and the root of the tree is represented with a / everything from your documents to your applications branches out from this root. Understanding this structure is key. You're going to start by exploring how to use the command line to get into a folder. Open your terminal application. You'll see a prompt, usually indicating your username and the present directory where you currently are. Think of this directory as the starting point of your navigation. It's the current folder you're in, aka the present working directory. You're going to change the prompt next. The most important command for folder navigation is cd, which stands for change directory. To get into a folder, you'll type cd followed by the path to the folder. This path is like an address telling the terminal how to find the folder. You can supply the relative path or the absolute path. The relative path describes the location of a folder starting from your current location. If your desired folder is within the currently open folder, use the folder name. For example, if you're in your home folder and a folder named Documents sits right inside, you would type cd Documents. The prompt changes accordingly. The absolute path, on the other hand, spells out the complete address of the folder. Starting from the root, this path begins with the / To find your path, simply navigate to the folder and copy the location. Type cd followed by the complete path. This works regardless your current location. Remember, precision is important. Navigate to different folders, experiment with relative and absolute, and get comfortable with moving around. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, just backtrack. Using your knowledge, you will have mastered navigating the Ubuntu terminal with practice.